Welcome back, guys. Today we have a cool flash we're going to open up and show you guys. It's the Neewer Z2. So let's get started. So this was on sale during Amazon Prime, but like a moron, I didn't order it on Amazon Prime. We had another flash, a Canon 580 EX2. Not sure how you get into this thing. We had another Canon flash EX2 back from when it first came out, so it's probably 20 years old, 18, maybe more, somewhere in there. And it was the flash my wife used. And my Godox V1 goes on top of my R6, and we have a Godox V1 that goes on our Lumix. So she kind of needed a flash. So we found this Neewer. Now, as you know, you've heard me talk before, we're in the Godox system. So a Godox V1 fits with the Godox A200, fits with the Godox strobes, all that. But for what my wife needs, she just needs one good flash for top of the camera to bounce for a wedding. And I've liked the Neewer. I like the menu on the back. I've had this before a while back, and I really liked it. Just didn't really have a use for it because it wasn't a Godox, and we didn't need one at the time because, like I said, we had the Canon one at the time. So anyway, let's have a look at this one. This is the Z2 version. Has the metal at the bottom. It also has the battery, probably in here somewhere. Charging cables, battery holder to charge, and here's the battery. It has these kind of batteries, kind of like the V1 have, that just go in here. They pop in. And you'll get, I don't know how many shots, they're probably around 500 or 600 shots. But you know, you can twist it every direction, bounce it. It's very, very similar to the Godox V1 power-wise and all. And it's also got a button on the side. So, you know, if you're shooting TTL shot after shot, the flash output can change just a little bit. So if you get that perfect shot in TTL and you like it, you can flip it from TTL to manual. Does. It has to be straight on sometimes, but this way she can bounce it, or if she does have to go straight on, she's got a little bit of diffusion because she's in with the girls getting ready a lot. So this is where she mostly uses the flash. Keep that same amount of light going out every time, so you won't have that little bit of fluctuation. I like that. And I also got the one that has this. I don't like shooting it straight on for some of the things. And here's the back. Hopefully you can see that. That's the menu system that I like. It reminds me a lot of the Pro Photo, different ones. So we're going to be trying this flash out. Let's see what all it came with. Plug to charge it up. Cable. And then this is the base to charge the battery that I already put in here. So plug this into here and then into the wall, or just plug this into a USB, any way you want to go. But I had one of these before, and the light output was fantastic. I liked everything about it, except for it didn't fit into the Godox ecosystem that we had. But I think for just one flash that we're looking for, this will be the perfect flash for my wife to use. So I will get back with you on how this flash works. It's got obviously the case that it goes in. I don't know if that was kind of bright, if you could see it. Sometimes it's hard to see on flash on video. So anyway, I will be trying this out at a wedding we have coming up soon. Hey guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you. I'll report back to you guys. It was on sale for about $160 during Amazon Prime. They put them back up to normal price and they dropped them down. I think I got this one for about $170 plus tax. I'll leave a link at the bottom if you're interested in the Z2 flash. But I really, really, really liked this. The first time I wanted to keep it. But like I said, I had so much Godox stuff I was invested in, didn't have room for this. Now without the Canon 580 EX2 that we no longer apparently have, we have room for this. So we'll be doing some work with this. Get back with you guys. We got some model shoots coming up. We're gonna be trying out some lenses. This will be involved in part of that. So we got a lot lined up coming up soon for videos with model shoots, lens testing, flash testing. We're going to have a lot of stuff going on. So you guys be checking back. For helping you guys out, give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks. Have a great day.